So welcome students. In this question you're given that you have an ellipse whose semi-minor axis is the diameter of this circle and semi-major axis is the diameter of this circle. You're asked to find the equation of this ellipse. You're given that the center of the ellipse is origin and the ellipse is oriented along x and y axis. So now let us find the diameter of this circle. The radius of the circle is 1, hence the diameter of the circle is 2. So semi-minor axis B is equal to 2. And for the semi-major axis, the radius of the circle is 2, right? Because this is 2 square. And the diameter of the circle, which is nothing but the semi-major axis, is equal to 4. So for the ellipse, A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 2. So what is the equation of ellipse x square by A square? That is 16 plus y square by B square is equal to 1. So this implies x square plus 4y square is equal to 16. So this is the equation of ellipse. Thank you.